Hey guys, welcome back to day 2. So today we are going down to Amador's beach and just chilling, I guess. So I'm wearing like a pink bikini underneath, and then I'm wearing this blue top and some yellow Primark shorts. Yeah, let's go. And sorry about my voice, I know it's a bit like, yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you? They're both sunburned.
I'll do flips on the beach. Just saying.
So we're just walking all the way down here to the beach around there. Yeah. And so we are here, we've just got the lounges. There's the ocean. These ones, don't you? Like I say, I've just been in the sea. As you can see, because my hair is wet. It's kind of cold, but it's nice. And these are the best chocolate milkshakes. I love them so much. They're from like the Hyper Dino. Yeah. And as you can probably see, oh, it's a bit too far. But I kind of fixed the lighting because yesterday's vlog, most of the clips are just way too dark. I think I fixed it, I don't know, but I'm gonna have this now. I'm gonna plan what I'm gonna wear tonight. I kind of have an idea, but I need to find it in my suitcase. So what I'm gonna wear is this striped romper. This gives me very like Greece vibes, so if I ever went to Greece, this would be like my #1 outfit because I love it. And then for the shoes, I think I'm gonna wear heels again. So I'm gonna wear these pink ones, which I love. Okay guys, so I have now gotten ready to go out. So I've got my hair in like a half up thing and it's clipped back, got all my jewellery on, done my makeup and everything. And for my outfit, I'm wearing this like striped romper thing, and then a glitter bag and some like peachy pink heels, and yeah.